Sun, money maker equipment. Founded in the 50s, Sun is a Mexican company dedicated to the manufacture of equipment for industrial kitchens. Since then, Sun has marked the development and technology of professional gastronomy. In 1939, Mr. Victor Babani buys used stoves, repairs them, and sells them until he found a workshop. Later, he opened a store called Universal Stove, which became Magic Chef Stores. In those times, people used coal and wood for cooking, and nobody cared that forests were used to heat or prepare any dish. So Mr. Victor Babani began making oil stoves. The savior of the forest was called at that time, manufactured by the thousands and distributed throughout the world. After almost 7 decades there are very few left. However, in the Mexican film From the Arm and Down the Street, there is a testimony where Marga Lopez prepares coffee for Manolo Fabregas in a Sun oil stove.
A ver, venga usted acá. ¿Es esa la manera de recibir a un amante esposo?
¿Y es esa la manera de llegar?
Since then, we have innovated with products that facilitate the work of cooks and chefs. In 1954, gas became very popular, and the first domestic gas stoves were manufactured. The lack of equipment that supplied the incipient restaurant industry of those years made Don Victor begin to manufacture industrial prototypes of equipment for high-volume kitchens. This is how stoves, ovens, and fryers appeared, equipment that little by little became more professional and in demand by the market at that time. Mr. Babani created the Lunch Master Stove, which offered almost all cooking methods in a single piece of equipment. It was focused at abundant lunchboxes and inns throughout the country, which will be perfected, and in 1960, the Maestra stove appears, a contribution from Sun to the world. In it we have a fryer, griddle, grill, open burners, cabinet, broiler, and oven, offering great versatility in a single piece of furniture of just under 2 meters. It has been the most imitated stove in all over the world, and today, the one with the highest demand in the market. The appearance of the first fryer manufactured in Mexico was an important contribution to the gastronomic industry. It was difficult to convince cooks why fry in these devices, since they did not want to stop using the frying pan. Today the result is in sight. The fryer is essential. Sun is an innovative company. We have registered patents from the second half of the 20th century to the present. Sun patented the convection oven, which began to be used by bakeries, pastry, and today is the most advanced technology. We patented our valves, were the first to use infrared rays in the kitchen, and we are the proud creators of the Master Stove. Sun innovated into different aspects of the culinary market, but also lifestyles. The first bicycle exercise, the grill, the churreras, heaters, and crusher ice machines, were products that supplied the national market for years. Today we are growing. In our new plant we manufacture new products that are more efficient, more attractive, and with a highly competitive purchasing price. Our engineering department, with more than 20 specialists, performs combustion tests, heat capacity, thermodynamics, noise levels, resistance of materials, mechanical resistance, and safety in gas and electricity use. Today Sun equipment is respectful of nature, with low energy consumption and high performance, low levels of contamination, safety for the diner and cooked products, ease for kitchen operators, and excellent economic performance for investors. Our products have been characterized by their efficiency, duration, and quality. These are the principles that govern us. In this way, Our prestige was formed and we dominate the national market. And from these qualities our slogan emerged. Sansun, Money Maker Equipment.